Are you struggling with weak nails that break easily, have that annoying yellow tint, or just never seem to grow past a certain length? If so, you are in the right place. Imagine transforming those frustrating nails into long, strong, and healthy ones in just 3 days. Sounds incredible, right? Today, I am going to share my ultimate nail care routine to tackle all those common nail problems and help you achieve the stunning nails you have always dreamed of. Let us get started. First things first, let us start by shaping your nails. Choose a nail shape that complements your fingers. Whether you love a classic square shape or a chic almond shape, it is all about what suits you best. Grab a high-quality nail file and gently shape your nails, filing in one direction to avoid splits and breaks. A well-shaped nail not only looks cleaner but also helps prevent snags and breakage, giving your nails a solid foundation to grow stronger and healthier. Next, grab a fresh lemon and slice it up. Rub the juicy side directly onto your cuticles and nails. Lemon is a powerhouse packed with vitamin C, which boosts collagen production and strengthens your nails. It also helps brighten any discoloration and keeps your nails looking fresh. Allow the lemon juice to soak in for about 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off. This simple step can work wonders in giving your nails that extra glow and strength. Now, let us soften those cuticles and give your nails a nourishing treat with a warm water and salt soak. Fill a bowl with warm water and add a tablespoon of salt. Soak your nails for about 10 to 15 minutes. While soaking, gently move your fingers around. This helps stimulate blood circulation, which is crucial for healthy nail growth. The warm water softens your cuticles, while the salt has antiseptic properties that help keep your nails clean and healthy. After soaking, it is time to gently push back your cuticles. Use a cuticle pusher or an orange stick to softly nudge your cuticles away from your nails. Be careful not to cut them, as this can lead to infections. Pushing back your cuticles helps create a neat, clean edge and allows your nails to grow more smoothly. Aim to do this step daily after your soak to maintain healthy, well-groomed nails. Next, we are going to exfoliate your nails to remove any dead skin. Mix a couple of tablespoons of salt with a splash of olive oil to create a gentle scrub. Massage this mixture onto your nails and cuticles using circular motions. The salt helps slough off dead skin cells, while the olive oil deeply moisturizes and nourishes. Rinse with warm water to reveal cleaner, softer nails. Exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. Mix a small amount of toothpaste with a squeeze of lemon juice. Using a soft toothbrush, apply this mixture to your nails in a gentle circular motion. The toothpaste cleanses and polishes your nails, keeping them looking pristine. Use this treatment 2 to 3 times a week to keep your nails in top condition. It may have a strong and fresh smell, but garlic is a powerhouse when it comes to boosting nail strength. Crush a few garlic cloves to make a paste and apply it directly to your nails. Garlic is rich in allicin, a compound known for its powerful antifungal and antibacterial properties. Leave the garlic paste on for about 10 to 15 minutes to let it work its magic, and you will start to see a noticeable difference in your nail strength and growth. For the ultimate overnight nail care, mix olive oil with lemon juice and 2 crushed garlic cloves. Leave the mask on overnight and wash it off with soapy water in the morning. Apply a generous amount of Vaseline to your nails and cuticles. Gently massage it in to promote blood circulation and keep your nails hydrated. Vaseline acts as a barrier to lock in moisture, preventing dryness and breakage. This step is crucial for maintaining healthy, well-nourished nails. Make sure to do this daily, and your nails will thank you for it. What to avoid to ensure your nails stay healthy and grow faster. Biting your nails, this can cause serious damage and slow down nail growth. Try using bitter-tasting nail polish to discourage this habit. Exposing nails to harsh chemicals. Wear gloves when cleaning or using chemicals to protect your nails from damage. Overusing nail polish removers, especially those with high acetone content, these can dry out your nails and make them brittle. Opt for acetone-free removers. Neglecting hydration. Dehydrated nails are more prone to breakage. Drink plenty of water and moisturize your nails regularly. And there you have it. Follow these steps, and you will see your nails growing faster and stronger in just 3 days. Consistency is key, so stick to this routine and enjoy your beautiful nails. If you found these tips helpful, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty secrets. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.